Hello. Nice. I got some photos of we first tried to make a this little griddle. It's from the 70s. I found it at a thrift store. It's like an antique by now or vintage. And it's supposed to push it together and make waffles. It didn't turn out well. Uh, I got to experiment on that. It's going to be a pain in the butt to clean. So anyways, we went back to old school frying pan and kind of cooking half and half on the griddle. I just made this huge butt pancake. Probably going to regret it, but I'm kind of in a hurry. Xavier ate 4 pancakes, and then I had some buttermilk, so I made myself buttermilk pancakes. And right now he's off getting more wood, which we're going to probably have to cover up. But unlike rain, the snow doesn't really bother the wood as much. But here we go. Coffee, maple syrup. So everybody have a great day. And I don't know if you can see the snowflakes from the smoke, but they're starting to come down more frequently and a little thicker every time. So we're going to get a nice fluffy snowstorm. No blizzard warnings. Just fluffy, well, as you can see, a smoke. Fluffy snow.